Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Devereaux, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to promote affiliate CBD products using traffic sources like Instagram. So make sure you guys follow along. We're going to go over a lot of great stuff here. Alright guys, so here we are. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, today this video is going to be how to promote affiliate CBD products using Instagram as your traffic source. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys don't know what CBD is, it is basically a part of the cannabis plant that doesn't contain any kind of THC. You can get it from the female plant, however, you have to make sure when selling it that it is only from hemp related, as that's the only thing that's legal to sell. What comes around with promoting CBD products is you aren't able to actually promote them really on any kind of paid traffic sources like Facebook and Twitter and things like that. They do have some paid traffic sources out there that you can take advantage of that we might talk about later on in some of these other videos. However, because they are very few, the minimums to start on them are actually pretty high. So a lot of people try and take advantage of alternate ways of marketing, like through Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, all of these social media sites, as well as blogging, things like that, to be able to get traffic to their affiliate products, to their own products, things like that. And I'm going to show you guys how I have been able to generate traffic to affiliate CBD offers and make some money online this way. So let's go ahead and get started. The first things first is you will need an Instagram account. So today I went ahead and created an Instagram account, followed some people. As you can see, not too many people have followed me back so far. But what I've done so far is basically just kind of set up a page. I put up like a CBD logo since that's what we're promoting. I added kind of like a CBD name. Hemp is where all, the CBD that you can sell at least is coming from. So just kind of put that in there. It's kind of random. I'll probably change it change it to a different name, especially after this video. I mean, this is just a test account, so who knows? This might end up being like a travel thing eventually, whatever I decide. But I also added a few photos just kind of based on CBD itself, just so people know kind of what I'm talking about here. And this is old, so we'll leave that alone. And then I just kind of added a bio about bringing awareness to CBD. I actually took this from a landing page, and I'll show you guys some of that here eventually too. So that's the first step. The first thing you want to do is you want to create an Instagram account, surround it around the niche that you're promoting. So today we're going to be talking about CBD affiliate products. So I have created an Instagram account around CBD. What we're going to do now is we need to set up our actual funnel, so that way when we're driving traffic from Instagram to our offers, that we can get them to the right place, because we can't just promote CBD offers directly by adding our link in here, directly from Max Bounty or whatever, maybe CPA network or affiliate network that you're working with. They don't allow direct linking with these kind of offers, so you don't want to do that. You're going to need to use ClickFunnels or some kind of landing page to build one, which I will show you guys how to do that here today as well. So keep that in mind. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and go over to Max Bounty, and we're going to take a look at some CBD offers and see if we can find one to promote. So here I am. I'm already logged into Max Bounty. As you can see, I typed in CBD. Let me refresh my page. If you guys have ever joined Max Bounty, they kick you out super quick, so you got to refresh or relog in quite often. But these are all the different CBD offers that they have available. Typically with CBD offers on places like Max Bounty or CPA networks, affiliate networks, they're going to be all based on cost per sale, or you're going to get some percentage of the sale most of the time. Sometimes they might have some sort of trial offer in there, but usually that entails reoccurring subscriptions, and people kind of get upset about those kind of things. I tried some of those in the past. They work good because you do get free trials, but you get tons of backlash about a month later when they start getting charged again over and over again. So you got to keep those kind of things in mind. A lot of times I just like going with the straight sale because then you can kind of brand out that Instagram page a little bit more and kind of make it a little bit more trustworthy. And you don't have to deal with so many of the negative comments if they start getting rebills and things like that. As well as, I believe you don't see as many of the trials anymore because like the Visa and MasterCard in them, they aren't really allowing that kind of stuff anymore. So keep that in mind. But as you can see, these are all the different CBD offers that we can promote. So there's Ease Wellness. This is basically where they can go online and make a purchase and you'll get $25 per lead. These are like some CBD gummies, just CBD products, and you can see over here how much they pay you per lead. So what we're going to do here today is we're just going to choose one. I'm going to do US because that's where I'm from. If I was driving traffic, more than likely most of the traffic that I would be driving would be coming from the United States. So for today, I think I will just do, I see this one offer on a ton of different networks, so we'll just do this one. It's called Sunday Scaries CBD Gummies. So basically targeting tips if you were converted or if you were running on specific traffic networks, you could go off of their traffic or targeting tips here. Here's some coupon codes if you want to maybe offer coupon code for in exchange for maybe like an email or something, so you can build an email list. You could do that. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get the tracking link. It's going to be for social. I'm just going to get the raw link. If you need to set up some of your tracking codes, you can do that in here with sub IDs. If you don't have tracking and you are maybe just tracking by sub IDs or you don't know how, you can also check a look at some of our videos. We do have a video on how to track by sub IDs, although using a tracker like Volume or something like that would definitely be more beneficial for you. But anyway, this doesn't have any kind of cap. That's good. United States. Here's the EPC. It doesn't expire. All devices. And let's take a look at the landing page. So this is their website. So it looks like this is a monthly plan too, actually. Or you could do one time for $39. So it looks like it's cheaper if you do a monthly plan. But I mean, that's pretty much it, what it is. Obviously, it's their actual website page, so it's really nice. It looks really clean. Got some information on the product here. And that's pretty much it. So basically what would happen is whenever someone made a sale, it's going to go ahead and give us a payout of, let's see, $40. So whenever someone makes a sale, they'll pay us $40 for the lead, which is good. And that's that. I mean, we don't really have to do anything other than that and then drive the traffic to it. So this is going to be the offer that we're going to be promoting today. The only other thing that we need to set up now is going to be our landing page. So you have a couple options for that. Typically, Amazon S3 is going to be the best option. It's extremely quick. It's pretty cheap. I think you really, on the first year, I think you only have to pay for the domain, really. So, I mean, a domain is like $1 to $10 if you want something that's not super crazy, So it's pretty inexpensive. Otherwise, for today, I'm just going to use ClickFunnels because I already have a template set up for this. So we don't have to do too much crazy in-depth funnel building or anything like that. It'll be pretty straightforward. But just keep that in mind that if you guys are super successful with this, or if you guys are thinking about running all types of CPA offers and you guys really want to become serious about this, I would probably recommend setting up an Amazon landing page instead because they are just 100 times faster, like literally. So let's go ahead and do it. This is the landing page I already have kind of set up here. It's pretty straightforward. This is our template that you can find in the AFK forum under the freebie section. It's within the 3-step training. So I know a lot of people comment, let me get the funnel. It's in the forum, bro. Just join the forum, go in the freebies, go to the 3-step training, boom. Anyway. You can, basically all I've done is just use that same template. I've got the same 2 questions. Sometimes we have 3. It's up to you. I like to do 2 personally. I like to do, how did you hear about this offer and where are you from? 2 super simple questions that literally anyone can answer. There's an answer for everyone because I always put other at the bottom, so no matter what, there's an answer for you. As you can see down here, these are all linked. One person did ask me how to actually hyperlink these, so basically, let's see. You would just open the text editor, and then here's the link, and you can come through, type what you want. Here, I'll do it on here. It's going to say insert link. I'm going to say debaru.com because we the business, or let's do this. You know, I gotta support the AFK forum, bruh. So basically, that's how you would do it. So someone asked me how to hyperlink it. That's how you would do it. You would get all of these separate things down at the bottom of your landing page or on the offer page, whatever it is, and then you would just take the link from up here, from the URL, and then come in here and do exactly what I showed you. So for those of you that have been asking, it's super simple. That's all you have to do. As you can see where I practiced over here just to show you guys, it's just going to change it blue and make it a link. So that's all it is. As for the background of the actual lander, you can change that by going to settings, clicking background, clicking over here, and then uploading a new background. This one is just basically some cannabis, fan leaves and stuff from the plant itself. And then I just have a big CBD logo. This says CBD skincare, but what I would change it to is CBD gummies, or not, and I would take out free. I would say get your CBD gummies. Let's do it. Get 20% off CBD gummies today. Something like that, and then, you know, you come through here, change that to red or something, or green, just to kind of stand out, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And then basically what would happen is you would click right here. I need to actually put in my link, so we'll go to outcomes, default outcome, and this is where you would put your affiliate link. So here's that, put that in here, and then that's it, and I would just hit save, and then we would be good to go. So that would be, this would be our lander. Basically someone would click through here, they would click through here, and then it's going to send them all the way over to our actual CBD offer, where they can go ahead and decide to purchase the CBD, or if you're giving them a discount code in exchange for an email, then at least they can leave their email for you to retarget later, and that's pretty much it. So to basically how you would drive traffic to these pages is you would then come and take your ClickFunnels URL or your domain name that you have with Amazon S3, and you would either post it up. If it's super long like mine, I always shorten them because I have OCD and I hate the way they look. I'm sure it bothers the crap out of everyone, a ton of other people. I mean, that's kind of the point of shortened URLs, because some URLs are just completely ugly. But then you would come in here and you would save it, and that's it. So then we have our new bit.ly link. When someone clicks on it, it's just going to go straight to, oh, I didn't do it right. I don't think I have my funnel actually active. But they would go to there, and then, oh man, what the heck is going on? I know my funnel's active, yo. I think it's because I changed the name and I have to go back and edit it. But basically, what would happen is they would click the link, the bit.ly link that we just shortened. It would go to your offer page here. They would go through these quick little surveys. They would go through these quick little surveys. And then at the end of this, that's where it's going to go ahead and send them to the offer, which would be the CBD gummies here, where they can either choose the monthly plan or buy one time. And then whenever they get paid, you'll get the commission. To drive the traffic though, how I was saying a minute ago, guys, is you're going to want to start posting relevant content, kind of like what I'm doing here. You're going to want to post it every day, once or twice a day, as well as posting stories and following people within your category. So what you can do is you can go either on your phone or even on the desktop here, as you can see, you can go and type in CBD. That's not what I wanted actually. You can go to like hashtags and you can start following other people within the CBD community, people who are interested in CBD, things like that. You can start following them, start liking their photos, and what that'll do is that'll get them noticing you, and in return start checking out your stuff. So that'll start driving traffic to your CBD offers, and in return you can start making some money online promoting some of these CBD affiliate products. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys learned some stuff here today.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.